Welcome to Gadget Bro channel. Today we are going to discuss about this Hope S29 mobile. This mobile have 20,000 milliampere battery, and also you can charge other mobile or other device. Also this mobile have big flashlight. Also this mobile have analog TV signal. You can watch whatever free to air analog TV signal you can find. Also FM you can listen without headphone. There have big speaker. This mobile is a very important thing is universal portable charger. You can charge any mobile something. This mobile have antenna also, one small antenna. You can see that is very good condition. Their switch for LED light, and I'm going to remove this one. You can use two SIM with memory card. We'll check inside what have. This the one battery, 20,000 milliampere battery. You can see that. And power adapter, and this cable for charging device. This for a screwdriver for removing back cover, because this battery is very heavy. I'm going to remove that cable. This cable, this USB cable, you can plug direct mobile, and other side this Android mobile you can charge. If you like this video, you can subscribe and like and comment. If you have any experience about this mobile, you can comment. Now I going to on this FM radio. There this is small antenna is there. Now I going to use TV. See, you can see that TV channel very clear. Thanks for watching this video.
وزير الإسكان المهندس باسم الحمر، طول عمر مشاركتكم اليوم أكيد